Hello and welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive. I'm host's name, and today we're going to dive into the fascinating word heralded. So, what does heralded mean in English? At its essence, heralded means to be announced or proclaimed with great enthusiasm and approval. It's often used to describe something or someone that has been publicly celebrated or recognized. According to dictionaries, heralded is derived from the noun herald, which refers to a messenger bringing news. When something is heralded, it means it's been given a grand announcement or a significant endorsement. Now, let's enrich our vocabulary with some synonyms for heralded. Words like acclaimed, celebrated, proclaimed, lauded, and announced can be used interchangeably, depending on the context. For example, you might say a new movie was heralded by critics, or a scientific discovery was celebrated by the academic community. Each synonym adds a slightly different flavor to the announcement or recognition being described. And there you have it. The meaning, definition, and synonyms for heralded. Keep these words in mind to make your language more vibrant and expressive. Thanks for watching Thesaurus Thrive, and don't forget to subscribe for more word explorations.